Hi, I'm Ryan Knutson. I just finished the world famous Robbie O'Brien guitar building course. And this thing, look at this thing.
You survived, huh?
I survived. Yeah, look at this thing. Beautiful. What an amazing instrument here. I'm going to really hack away at something here because, you know, many months ago, I nearly cut my finger off trying to build guitars. But I've learned a lot since then. So, here we go. Here's a little ditty.
Congratulations, man.
Yeah.
6 days of fun.
Look at this thing. Come on.
Tell us about the materials on that thing.
We'll start with the top here. So we have an Adirondack spruce. I think that's how you say it.
Adirondack.
Adirondack spruce top. We have rosewood back and sides. There we go. And then we have, right? Maple bindings. Highly flamed too. Look at those things. And we have a mahogany neck.
Highly figured.
Highly figured.
That's amazing.
Yep. This thing is amazing, you know. So one more little quick thing, and then we're out because I can't play very well. So, but I do know how to build them now, so that is a good thing. All right. That's that.
Very nice. Thanks, man.